Benta kalai tarik nailar hajar arpaulai, Menteri Rangba kajala Conrad ki sangma, ula Plie ke Ophis ke Meghalaya State Education Commission, kabadan haka Ophis ke Embos, halau wala chumia, ringkat Menteri ke tanat Pule Puthi, urakam sangma, bat ki dekot ke commission. Ka sorkar jala kala thau ke commission ban kaladur, ya ke Pule Puthi haka jala, na ke benta kalawai ki samla. Conrad ula pawe ke jingkmen ban yo yadan benta haka ni kasngi, ban yo sengau ye ke jingmut na ki dekot ke commission.
One of the tall leader, one of the experience of the state and others.
As you're aware that the cabinet had decided for the formation of the Education Commission, and the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed, and I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way, and just after the inaugural meeting they will be sitting for the first official meeting. And I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.
What is the immediate task and task to themselves for?
So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers and schools. Then obviously looking at the quality factor, the overall aspects of how technology can be implemented. And so it's a very wide scope of reference, and therefore it incorporates almost every aspect of education.